Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kala Soprano ukulele is probably one of the most charming and accessible instruments you can find. Its compact size and cheerful sound make it perfect for beginners and seasoned musicians alike. Whether you're strumming on the beach or just relaxing at home, the soprano ukulele offers a delightful musical experience. Join me as we dive into the world of the Kala Soprano ukulele and explore what makes it so special. Number 5. Kala Ka-15S Mahogany Soprano Ukulele. This is the Kala Ka-15S, a high-quality, affordable ukulele. It was introduced in 2005 and quickly became a favorite for beginners. It remains unmatched in its class. The Ka-15S is ideal for learning, practicing, and even performing. Many schools choose this instrument. More people start their ukulele journey with this brand. This ukulele features a traditional mahogany soprano design with a satin finish. It produces a bright, warm, and full-bodied sound. You'll love the sound it makes. It boasts a walnut fingerboard and bridge, a mahogany neck, and 12 brass frets. It also uses Graphtec new bone and Kala Super nilgut strings from Italy. The etched Polynesian-style shark teeth rosette adds a unique touch. This ukulele is played by many famous musicians. Artists like 21 Pilots, Vance Joy, and Dodie all play this instrument. It's a popular choice for a reason. This is the most common and smallest ukulele size. It has a short scale length and tight fret spacing. It's tuned to G-C-E-A, making it easy to learn. What we like? This ukulele is a classic for a reason. Its bright, warm tone makes it perfect for any beginner. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable instrument to start your ukulele journey, this is the one for you. What people say. The fretwork is exemplary. I've seen $400 to $500 guitars have fretwork not as good as this. The brass frets are all properly seated and well finished. Another point of emphasis, the nut. The nut, in my estimation, is one of the most important parts of any stringed instrument. A nut should be properly cut as to allow the strings to move without binding. Binding creates issues with tuning and intonation. And the nut slots should be cut as so to allow the strings a downward trajectory into the tuning machines, maximizing resonance and projection of the instrument. Again, this instrument is exemplary as it relates to the nut. Upon tuning the ukulele and strumming some chords, I quickly realized what a gem this truly is. The uke is dynamic, resonant, and truly is the sum of all the aforementioned parts. Single notes sing out and have great harmonic content. Chords ring and project very well. I have played every note on the fingerboard and none of them are dead or have any intonation issues whatsoever. Number 4. Kala MKS Makala Soprano Ukulele. This is the Kala Makala Soprano Ukulele. It's a great instrument for beginners and experienced players alike. It's known for its quality and affordability. The ukulele features an amethyst body with a smooth satin finish. This combination gives it a classic look and feel. The finish also protects it from wear and tear. It's a soprano-size ukulele, which is the smallest and most common size. This makes it easy to handle and play, especially for those with smaller hands. It produces a bright and cheerful sound. The fingerboard and bridge are made of rosewood. Rosewood is known for its durability and its ability to enhance the instrument's tone. This contributes to the overall quality of the sound. It has a mahogany neck, which provides stability and a comfortable playing experience. The neck's design is crucial for the instrument's playability. This also contributes to the instrument's overall sound quality. The fingerboard has fret position marks. These marks help you learn and navigate the fretboard easily. This feature is especially useful for beginners. What we like? This ukulele offers a simple, straightforward design. The satin finish gives it a smooth feel. If you are looking for a basic, no-frills ukulele, this is a great choice. What people say. The ukulele came with quality strings, she didn't have to do any kind of adjustments to the instrument. The fretboard to string level was perfect. It has a great sound, it's loud and punchy and very warm, compared to other ukuleles. Number 3. Kala Kas Mahogany Soprano Ukulele. This is the Kala Kas, a soprano ukulele. It's crafted with a beautiful mahogany body, giving it a warm and resonant tone. You'll love the sound this instrument produces. The body is made of mahogany, a wood known for its rich sound. This ukulele's mahogany body contributes to its full and balanced sound. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced players. Featuring 12 silver nickel frets, this ukulele offers comfortable playability. The frets are well placed, allowing for accurate intonation across the fretboard. You'll find it easy to play your favorite tunes. The fingerboard and bridge are made of rosewood, enhancing the instrument's aesthetics and sound. Rosewood provides a smooth surface for your fingers and helps to transmit the vibrations. This combination creates a delightful playing experience. The neck is also made of mahogany, ensuring a consistent look and feel. The neck's design contributes to the ukulele's overall balance and playability. It feels great in your hands. Finally, it has a satin finish, which gives it a smooth, non-glossy appearance. The satin finish protects the wood while allowing the instrument to resonate freely. This ukulele is a joy to play and behold. What we like. This ukulele features a classic mahogany build. The satin finish provides a comfortable playing experience. If you like the warm tone of mahogany and a smooth feel, you should consider this one. What people say. It has a rosewood fretboard, nickel frets, geared tuners, great action, great sound, comes with quality strings. Amazing sound and quality, especially for the price, and super fun and easy to play. Both have a Gila Nilgut strings, which sound great and are easy on the fingertips. Number 2. CAHAYA 21-inch Mahogany Ukulele Beginner Kit. This ukulele features an arch-shaped back for balanced resonance. The design of the woodboard concentrates sound reflection, resulting in a more powerful sound quality. Crafted from high-quality mahogany, this ukulele delivers a full and powerful mid-bass tone. The warm tones of the mahogany are fully expressed, providing a rich sound. The kit includes gig bag, rainbow strap, and fretboard stickers. It's an ideal entry-level package, providing everything needed to start playing right away. This instrument is suitable for all music lovers who want to try fingerstyle and singing. It's also easy to carry, making it convenient for lessons or travel. This easy-to-learn instrument is perfect for anyone interested in music. It makes an intimate gift for people of all ages, encouraging musical exploration. What we like. This ukulele's arch-shaped back enhances its resonance. The mahogany wood delivers a full tone. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package with all the essentials, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The Kala Ka-15S is a great ukulele for beginners. The sound quality is excellent for the price. It's well made and durable. Number 1. Kala Learn to Play Soprano Ukulele Starter Kit. Kala is a well-known brand, and this ukulele is a great choice for beginners. It's the instrument of choice for many schools, making it a popular option for learning. This kit comes with everything you need to start playing. It includes a tote bag and a quick start guide with helpful tips. You can learn songs quickly with the free online lessons. The ukulele features a mahogany body with a laser-etched rosette. It has Aquila strings, quality tuners, and a Graphtec new bone nut and saddle. This ensures a great sound and playability. You don't need a lot of accessories to get started with this ukulele. It's easy to tune and start playing songs right away. This makes it perfect for beginners. Many famous musicians play Kala ukuleles. You can join the ranks of artists like 21 Pilots and Zac Brown. It's a great instrument to start your musical journey. This is the most common size, known for its small size and tight fret spacing. It's tuned GCEA, making it easy to learn and play. This is a great instrument to start with. What we like. This ukulele comes with everything you need to start playing. The included online lessons make learning easy. If you are a complete beginner and want a hassle-free start, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It's got a light, bright sound, and after the first week or so, keeps its tuning very nicely. I bought this ukulele as a Christmas gift for my sister, a first-time player, and wow, I couldn't be happier with the quality. She was happy about the tote bag, and thought the song book with chords and the free tuning app were all helpful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.